Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how to transfer BUSD from Binance account to your Trust wallet. Let's begin. So first that I'm going to do is make sure, of course, I'm logged into my Binance account. You can also do this via Binance app on your smartphones, or you can do this in Binance.com in your computers. The first that I'm going to do is, go to my wallet where I want to check where my BUSD is stored. So some folks are storing it here. I stored mine here in my funding wallet. And then let's just go there. It will lead you to this page and I can just check that my BUSD is just right there. So next I'm going to go to Trust Wallet. This is given guys that your Trust Wallet is already installed and set up in your computer or in your phone. So now that my Trust Wallet is up, next thing that I'm gonna do is just to look for the BUSD. So there I have my BUSD. So there's like three buttons in there. Send is if I want to send, BUSD out from my Trust wallet. And here, since we're expecting BUSD coming to my Trust wallet, just need to click on that. And then it will lead you to this part wherein you can either scan the QR code or you can simply copy the address that I have here. You need the address because you are going to go back to your Binance account. You go to BUSD, just move to the right, and then you can see this three dots right here. Click on withdraw, and then it would be defaulted to BUSD because that's what we're going to transfer. And then this part right here, just paste the wallet that you've copied from Trust Wallet. And in case it's not auto-populating, just choose BSC for this one. And yes, I'm sure, just click on that, just a reminder. And then right here, say for example, I want to withdraw or transfer maximum amount of my BUSD. So once you have that, you notice that the withdraw button has lit up. That means you are ready to withdraw your BUSD. So once you click on that, there's just going to be a few items on the next slides, where next part rather, wherein it's just going to add information for security purposes, just making sure your transfer is secured. So once you click on the withdraw button, if you go back to your Trust wallet, this is where you can see that your BUSD has already been transferred. So that's it. It's very easy. Now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. Please leave a like. Goodbye.